Welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the secondary clutch or the driven clutch on the Yamaha. What makes this clutch so special is the way we put this thing together. It has a high torque spring inside, but the main thing is this bracket here. If you've ever tried compressing that spring, it's extremely hard. We're the only one that has this brace available on the market, so that it's already ready to go on your golf car preset. That saves a ton of work. First thing, we've got all of our parts. We have the spacer, which goes in flat portion first. Then we'll slide in our main spring and secondary seat. Then we'll put on our Teflon washer. Next would come our stationary plate along with the Woodruff key. And then we'll put on the washer that comes with the kit, and you'll reuse your OEM nut. Remember, if you want to save a lot of time, a lot of frustration, and a lot of energy, this is the clutch you need. See you next time.